Okay, now before the video starts, I'm gonna be like every good YouTuber and beg for likes. So the video hasn't started yet, and I'm just gonna add this crappy part to the video to complement our other crappy video. So yeah, I think we're gonna go for probably around like two likes. So just do it. 2 likes or I'll kill myself. 2 likes or I'll drown myself. Hey guys, Spicy Butthole Food Reviews, back at it again with our first video. So I'm with my friend. So
What's up?
yeah, we're about to do this Izze like sparkling water food review. So he's going first. He can't see anything. So like look, he can't see. So here we go. He's got the t-shirt on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the first drink ready. So if you can see, I can't really tell if you can see that, but can't really get the light in there. But there we go. Here's the first drink. Go ahead and open it. Get him in the glass. There we go. Alright, there's a pretty good amount in there. Okay, now it's right in front of you now. Just move your left hand slowly. A little bit closer. Okay, there you go. You got the glass. Could have been a little easier just to hand it to you. Okay. So here we go. He's gonna try it. So right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you what your choices are, okay? So you got sparkling blackberry.
Orange.
You've got okay, so you're gonna choose orange.
Yeah.
That's the first one. Okay, then I'll go ahead and take that from you. And don't really know what I'm supposed to do with it. Okay, there we go. It's not really clean, but that'll do it. Here we go. We got the second one. There we go.
Oh god, you poured a lot in there.
Not really. Here we go. So here's this one. Don't know if you can see that again. I'll just say it. Here we go. Right there. Bang. Okay. Okay, now which one is that?
The yellow can.
The yellow can one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's your choice. That must have been pretty bad.
Ugh. God dang.
Okay. Pour a little bit less of this one. So here's the next one. Not sure if you can really see that again. Right there. I'll pour like a little bit in there. Just so you can. Okay, right here. It's right there. So you can choose the same one again, like twice, if you want to.
That's the purple can.
That's the purple?
Yeah.
Okay, so how many have you tried yet? 3?
Yeah, 3.
So this is the last one. Okay. Okay, there we go. Right here. Right there. Okay. Now what do you think that one is?
Oh, they're pretty bad.
What do you think it is?
That was the yellow one, and the second one was the green one.
Okay, so you're changing your answers?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you go ahead and take your blindfold off. You can go ahead and see that you went ahead and got 100% right. But you did.
You just mix them all together?
Yeah, you did go ahead and change your answers.